We sometimes can't help but be amazed when we look above, to the skies, and to those beyond them. Thanks to scientists and astronomers, we know and have seen pictures of what, in reality, is a small part of the universe. Truly, the heavens abound with magnificence and wonders that are mind-boggling, not to mention vast and enormous. It can be such a wonder why some people think so highly of themselves, when yet, all people are merely a part of a much larger planet, galaxy, and universe. Even the planet Earth is dwarfed by planets such as Jupiter and Saturn. It is important for people to know that the Earth is only a part of the solar system, which is part of a bigger galaxy, which is a small part of an even bigger universe. The solar system is a wonderful thing. In its center is the Sun. The 8 planets, including Earth, orbit around the Sun, along with its respective moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and other celestial objects. The International Astronomical Union, IAU, has classified these objects found in the solar system into 3 categories: planets, dwarf planets, and small solar system bodies. A planet is one that orbits the Sun, which has enough mass to shape itself spherically and has emptied its vicinity of smaller celestial bodies. As we know it, 8 objects in the solar system meet these criteria: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto was previously the 9th planet, but recently, it has been reclassified into a dwarf planet. Pluto was reclassified because it was found that it couldn't meet the second criterion to be considered a planet. Objects that orbit the Sun with enough mass to shape themselves spherically are dwarf planets. That which meets this criterion without necessarily meeting the second one for planets is classified as such. Small solar system bodies comprise the 3rd and last category. These include the asteroids, comets, and other smaller bodies. Because the solar system is taught in schools all over the world, it is no wonder that there is some degree of interest when it comes to planets and other celestial bodies. The interest was evident when there were groups of people who protested the IAU's decision to declassify Pluto as a planet. If you didn't think people cared about a small, distant object like Pluto, why would they bother to protest and feel bad about the declassification? With this degree of interest comes the interest for further study and exploration, even for those people who aren't astronomers and are just hobbyists. Telescopes and high-powered binoculars, both suitable for viewing outer space, can be bought at a certain price. There are people that have set up their home astronomy center in order to stargaze, look at the Sun, perhaps see some sunspots, and even look at Mars occasionally. In centuries past, people believed that there was a solar system that existed. It was the notable Galileo who proposed otherwise, who believed that the Earth and other planets revolved around the Sun, comprising a solar system in which the Sun was the center of everything. It was also Galileo, with the use of his trusty telescope, who discovered many of the things which we know today about the solar system, such as the Sun being marked with sunspots. Other scientists and astronomers researched further on Galileo's findings, which confirmed his original suspicions and discovered many more facts regarding the solar system. At present, you yourself can view these same discoveries of Galileo and the scientists that followed suit, with the help of a powerful telescope. You can purchase a high-powered telescope from a dealer or manufacturer of them and set it up at home. If Galileo could have done it centuries ago, it means you can do it at the present time, thanks in part to modern technology, which has allowed for the mass creation of high-powered telescopes. The solar system is indeed full of wonders. You can see so for yourself by exploring it. Nowadays, anyone can do it, not only scientists and astronomers, but also hobbyists, students, and common folk, as long as a telescope is around.